Hey everyone, this is Brad speaking. Welcome to another trip report and flight review. This time I'm flying on a LATAM Boeing 787-9 from Bogota to Santiago in economy. As this was a very late flight and checkout time at my hotel was 10 AM, I had the whole day to explore the city. Kudos to the hotel I stayed at, Hotel Movic Bureau 26, for making this so easy and taking care of my baggage. Bogota was an amazing city and I highly recommend anyone to visit. All the people engaged with were so friendly, welcoming and helpful, and I felt safer there than any US city I have been to. After some time, unfortunately it was time to head to the airport. I must say I was very impressed by the terminal at Bogota's El Dorado Airport. This terminal was completed in December 2017. It features countless amounts of shops, restaurants and things to do to keep you entertained during a long layover. I checked in with one of the self-check-in machines and dropped my bag, which I was quite disappointed as I didn't get a window seat like I requested. This flight was booked in codeshare with Qantas, which always seems to never give you the requested seats. But anyway, a night flight, so not the end of the world. I proceeded through security and then had a quick dinner at one of the food courts before boarding time.
En posición. Tan pronto esté en óptimas condiciones de aseo, tanqueo y chequeo por parte de nuestra tripulación, daremos inicio al proceso de abordaje y solicitamos permanecer en sala y desarrollo de preparativos avances por su atención.
I arrived at the gate and checked out the aircraft which would be taking us to Santiago today. It was Charlie-Bravo Bravo Juliet, a 787-8, which was delivered to LAN Airlines in November 2014. Gracias. We started boarding what looked to be a very full flight. The process was efficient.
Yo tengo que durar 2 años acá.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Segundo pasillo a la derecha.
Gracias. On first impressions of the cabin, it looked very clean and modern. This aircraft is fitted with 30 business class seats and 217 economy seats. The business class layout is a 2x2x2 and the economy is a 3 3x3 layout. I was seated in an aisle seat. I found my seat and settled in for the 5-hour flight. The legroom seemed pretty good and the seat was comfortable. There was a cushion and headphones provided. The interior lighting and boarding music are some things I found very relaxing. Taking a look at the in-flight entertainment, there was plenty of movies to choose from. The system was a bit laggy, but nothing I couldn't deal with. We soon just started our takeoff roll and started the journey for Santiago. We started our pushback and the safety briefing was made.
solicitamos poner atención a las instrucciones de seguridad de este avión. Ladies and gentlemen, it is a pleasure to have you on board LATAM. For your safety and comfort, please pay attention to the safety instructions for this aircraft. Por favor, acompáñenos. Please join us. Guarde el equipaje de mano en el compartimiento superior o bajo el asiento de adelante. Store your carry-on baggage in the overhead compartment or underneath the seat in front of you. Pasillos, salidas de emergencia y primera fila deben estar libres de equipaje. Aisles, emergency exits, and the first row must be kept clear of luggage. Ajuste su cinturón de seguridad cada vez que la señal se ilumine. Fasten your seatbelt whenever the seatbelt sign is illuminated. Para abrocharlo, inserte la punta de metal en la hebilla y ajústelo tirando la correa. Para abrirlo, levante la tapa de la hebilla. To fasten it, insert the metal clip into the buckle and tighten it by pulling on the loose end of the strap. To unfasten it, lift the top part of the buckle. Les recomendamos mantener su cinturón de seguridad abrochado y visible durante todo el vuelo, aunque la señal esté apagada. We also recommend to keep your seatbelt fastened and visible throughout the flight, even when the fasten seatbelt sign is off. Los pasajeros en preparación para el despegue, asegure su mesa, ponga su respaldo en posición vertical y guarde la pantalla plegable si su asiento la tiene. For takeoff, secure your tray table and put your seat back in its upright position and tuck the video screen into its compartment if your seat has one. Down from above your seat. Tome la máscara, colóquela sobre su nariz y boca, deslice la banda elástica alrededor de su cabeza, ajústela y respire normalmente. Coloque
frontal que estaría afectando desde la zona central al sur, con algunas probabilidades de chubasco durante la tarde. Esperamos que disfruten de este vuelo y así también aprovecho la ocasión de agradecerles que estén volando en nuestra compañía. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Captain, my name is Rodrigo Sánchez, the First Officer Miguel Muñoz, Professor Paola Cortés, and all the crew member. Welcome aboard flying LATAM 577 to Arturo Merino Benítez, Santiago, Chile. We are on time with a flight time of 5 hours 15 minutes. That means that we are not be in a schedule. Santiago maybe 10 minutes before schedule. That means 45 minutes past 5 a.m. Good weather we expect on a light turbulence. Santiago maybe some rain shower during the afternoon. Enjoy the flight and thanks to be with us.
Shortly into the cruise, we were served a very late dinner service. As there was no menu, I wasn't quite sure what this dish was. Perhaps someone from Chile could help me out in the comments. It was quite delicious though. After this I fell asleep, and when I woke up we were about to start our descent.
Descenso para Aeropuerto Internacional Arturo Merino Bogota-Santiago, Chile. Estamos llegando prácticamente 5 minutos antes de itinerario. Esto es a las 5 de la mañana con 50 minutos. 10 para las 6. Las condiciones están parcial. Una temperatura del momento de 6 grados Celsius. Esperamos que hayan disfrutado del vuelo, también esperamos que hayan descansado y que tengan un excelente pasar a su destino. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, Captain. We're very close to descend to Arturo Merino Benítez International Airport. We're going to be there 5 minutes before schedule, for 50 minutes past 5 a.m. Scattered temperature for 6 degrees Celsius. We hope that you enjoyed the flight, have a beautiful day, and thanks to be with us.
Please return to your seat and place it in the upright position. Securely latch your tray table and fasten your seatbelt.
Su geografía se extiende por alrededor de 8.000 kilómetros, desde el norte hasta la Antártica. Su zona continental está flanqueada a un lado por la cordillera de los Andes y al otro por la inmensidad del Océano Pacífico. Sus maravillas naturales se extienden desde el desierto más árido del mundo hasta enormes cuerpos de hielo, canales patagónicos y fabulosos glaciares que crean barreras naturales que protegen la rica diversidad.
vayan directamente a la sala de embarque sin necesidad de pasar por control de inmigración y aduana. A los pasajeros en conexión con vuelos nacionales les pedimos que realicen sus trámites de inmigración, retiren sus equipajes y pasen por aduana. To optimize your time, if you have a connection with an international flight, we ask that you proceed directly to the departure lounge with no need to pass through immigration control and customs. To passengers in connection with domestic flights, we ask that you go through the immigration procedures, pick up your luggage, and report to customs.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hola, ¿qué tal? Buenas.
Ahí, ¿cómo estás?
Bien.
After landing, I alighted from the aircraft and proceeded through international transfer, which was a pretty easy process. In summary, I would give this flight an 8 out of 10. The seat was comfortable, plenty of legroom and a good entertainment system to keep you occupied during long flights. Good food and a very clean and modern cabin. The customer service was okay, but I was disappointed how hard it was to fulfill your seat request. I flew LAN back in 2015 and my experience was very much the same. But anyway, that concludes this flight. Be sure to join me on the next journey flying on the Qantas 747 to Australia. Sydney, Australia. This is a video I'm very much looking forward to uploading. If you liked this video, be sure to like and subscribe. That's all, folks. This is Brad signing off. Ciao.